The HeartHero AED includes indicator lights to help users quickly understand the device's status. These indicators provide important information about whether the AED is ready for use, whether it's connected to the app, or whether attention may be required. One of the key indicators on the AED relates to the device's Bluetooth connectivity. When the Bluetooth light is blinking, it means the AED is ready to pair with the HeartHero app. When the light becomes solid, this indicates that the device is successfully connected. This connection allows the AED to communicate with the app for monitoring and device management. Indicator lights can also help confirm the device's overall readiness. AEDs are designed to perform regular self-checks to ensure their internal systems, batteries and pads are functioning correctly. If the device is ready for use, the status indicator will show the unit is operational and prepared for an emergency. If a fault or maintenance issue occurs, the indicator system alerts the user to the need for attention. This could include situations such as low battery, pads needing replacement, or another issue that should be checked before the device is relied on in an emergency. It is important for organizations and individuals responsible for AEDs to check the device regularly. A quick glance at the indicator light can help confirm the unit is ready and available if someone suffers a cardiac arrest. However, even with the indicator lights and the app monitoring, the AED should still be included in routine equipment checks. Making sure the device is in good condition, accessible and ready for use is an essential part of emergency preparation. By understanding the meaning of the indicator lights on the HeartHero AED, users can quickly confirm the device's status and ensure it's ready to help save a life if needed.